Hello and welcome back to my channel. Now make sure to click that subscribe button below and follow me over on Instagram if you can, because I would love to have you there. So we're in the run up to Christmas. It's only a couple of weeks to go and I thought this would be the perfect time to do some Christmas words. So the first word that we're going to do is the word for Christmas itself, and that's in Nollaig. In Nollaig. In Nollaig. Now if we were to say Christmas Eve, it would be Aingeal. 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 And for Christmas Day, Laurenrhiannon. 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 So if we wanted to say Santa or Father Christmas, Bodach na Nollaig. Bodach na Nollaig. Bodach na Nollaig. And the word for Christmas tree, Craobh na Nollaig. Craobh na Nollaig. Craobh na Nollaig. Now, for some things that go on top of the tree, you might have an angel, and that's Aingeal. 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 Or you might choose to have a star, and the word for star is Rionnag. 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 So a couple more words around Christmas. The word for reindeer, and that's Reindeer. 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 And you might have the word for sleigh, which is Slaodan. 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 The word for stocking, if you hang stockings above a fireplace or by your tree, Stocainn. 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 And the word for gift, which is Tìodhlac. 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 But I think more commonly used, certainly in my life, we would say the word for present or presents, and that's Prèasant. 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 And for presents, Prèasantin. 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 And I think that's a little bit easier to remember, especially if you're not overly familiar with Gaelic as of yet. I will be back shortly with a part 2 to this video that will feature some more words surrounding Christmas and winter time. Hopefully this is a good introductory video giving you some basic words surrounding Christmas, and I really hope to see you in the next video, but if not, have a very Merry Christmas, which is Nollaig Chridheil.